we'll guide you through how to improve Vercel Agent skills with the latest features. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and navigate to Vercel's dashboard. Once you're logged in, locate the Agents tab on the left sidebar and click on it. Here, you can see all your existing agents. To enhance their skills, you need to update their configurations and add new capabilities. Click on the agent you wish to improve to open its details page. On this page, look for the Skills section. This is where you can manage and add new skills. To add a new skill, click on the Add Skill button. You will be prompted to select from a list of predefined skills or create a custom one. Choose the skill you want, or click on Create Custom Skill to define new parameters based on your needs. Once you select or create a skill, configure it by adjusting the settings to match your requirements. This may include setting triggers, defining actions, and specifying conditions. Make sure to save your changes by clicking the Save button at the bottom. For existing skills, you can click on them to edit their settings, allowing you to tweak their performance. If you're looking to improve efficiency, consider integrating third-party tools or services that Vercel supports, like Slack or GitHub, which can enhance communication and automation. After making all necessary updates, test the agent to ensure the new skills are functioning correctly. You can do this by simulating scenarios that the agent will encounter. This step is crucial to verify that your configurations work as intended. Once testing is complete and you're satisfied with the performance, your agent is ready to be deployed with its improved skills. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.